Yeastar P Series PBX now supports integration with Salesforce CRM. This integration will establish data sync and realize interactive features between these platforms, including click-to-call, call pop-up, automatic contact synchronization and creation, and call journal auto-update. In this video, we will guide you through the configuration process step by step. So if you need to integrate Salesforce and Yeastar P Series PBX, subscribe and follow us in this video. First of all, as Salesforce is a cloud-based service, to realize the integration through the public internet, it's necessary to subscribe to Enterprise Plan or Ultimate Plan on the P Series PBX and activate FQDM. If you don't know how to do this, please check this video. And at the same time, as the integration is done through API, your Salesforce has to be the Enterprise Edition, Unlimited Edition, Developer Edition, or Performance Edition, which supports API interface. Now we can start the configuration. For the first step, we need to get the PBX authentication information. Let's log into the PBX Administrator interface. In the left side menu, find Integration and click on CRM. Then find Salesforce CRM. Click on Integration. In the callback URL, we'll find the domain for authentication that we need later. Copy it. Then we can move on to create and configure the application on Salesforce CRM. Log into Salesforce CRM. Then click on Setup to get into the Setup homepage. Then on the left side menu, find Platforms Tools. Find Apps and enter App Manager. Then click on New Connected App to create a new application for Yeastar P Series PBX. In the pop-up page, we will find the basic information. Here in Connected App Name and API Name, we put in a name to identify this application. Then put in a contact email. We can fill in other information as needed. Now we move on to complete the API settings. First, we enable auth settings. Then in the callback URL, we paste the domain we copied from our PBX in step 1. Then we select the scopes that we need from available auth scope boxes. Here's a list of all scopes that we should choose. Please pause the video and take a screenshot here. When we pick out the scopes, click on Save. Then we need to wait for the change to take effect. It may take up to 10 minutes. Now we click on Continue. Here we finish the connectivity. We go on to grant access permission for all Salesforce users of the Salesforce organization. Firstly, we go to Platform Tools and find Apps. And in the App Manager, find the app for Yeastar P Series PBX. Click the arrow and in the drop-down list, click on Manage. And in the pop-up window, click on Edit Policies. And we scroll down to Auth Policies. In Permitted Users, we choose all users may self-authorized. Now the users of Salesforce are allowed to be connected to P Series PBX through API. For the next step, we need to get the authorization info from Salesforce and put in the P Series PBX. Let's get back to App Manager and find the app for Yeastar P Series PBX. Click on the arrow and find View. Then we scroll down to API. Copy the consumer key. Then in Consumer Secret, click on Click to Reveal. And then we can copy the consumer secret. Now we get back to the PBX and authorize the Salesforce CRM on our PBX. Let's go to Integration and CRM. In Authorization, we paste the consumer key and secret we obtained from the last step. Then we click on Save. Now we will see a new web page appears automatically and confirm if we want to allow access to our CRM account. If everything's OK, click Allow. Now the authorization is done. We can also go back to the P Series PBX web interface to double-check. We can click OK here to confirm. Now that the integration is finished, we can go on to assign Salesforce users with P Series PBX extensions correspondingly. On the CRM page, we will find all users in the list of Salesforce users. Of course, if we don't find all the users, we can click on Refresh. Now we have two methods to associate the users. The first is to associate automatically. We can click the button, then all the extensions that share the same email address as the Salesforce user we're assigned together. Or we can do it manually. In the extension field, we will find all the available extensions and select the one that we want to link to this very Salesforce user. When we finish all the users, click on Save. Okay, this is how we handle the integration. Now the data is synced, and we can enjoy the high efficiency and connectivity brought by this integration. Well, thank you for watching this video. Need more information about Yeastar solutions? Please subscribe and visit yeastar.com.